Let's learn how to crochet a puff flower, which you can use as a decoration in your cardigans, your mirrors, and your other crochet projects. So let's get into the tutorial. So I'll be using a 2.5mm crochet hook and 2 colors of scrap medium weight yarn. So we'll start with the center. To begin, make a magic ring. You can do it in any way you prefer. And then after that, chain 1 and place 12 single crochets into the magic ring. To do a single crochet, insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all. So continue placing single crochet into the magic ring until you have a total of 12 single crochet at the end of round 1. I'll meet you at the end of the row. I'm at the end of round 1. So I pull this tail to close up the circle. After closing up the circle, I slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. I normally carry along the yarn that I use to close the circle. Slip stitch, after slip stitching, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. And fasten off. So we are done with round 1 and this is how it looks like. So for round 2, we'll be working on the petals. So to start round 2, attach your yarn into any of the single crochet stitches. And chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. After chaining 3, we place 3 double crochet together into the same stitch. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops into our first stitch. So we have done our first 3 double crochet together. We go into the next stitch and make 3 double crochet stitches together. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. After that, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all. And then chain 1, 2. After chaining 2, you go into the next stitch with a slip stitch. After that, the previous petal, you just turn it like this. So you've done that, chain 1, 2, and 3, and we repeat the pattern that we did on our first petal. We place 3 double crochet together into the same stitch with chain 3. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So into the chain 3 stitch, we place 3 double crochet, but we don't complete it. And then after that, we go into the next stitch. so that we can complete the petal with 3 double crochet together. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So at the end, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops. So after that, yarn over and pull through all the 7 loops on the hook, and then chain 1, 2, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. And then slip stitch into the next stitch. Once you're done, turn your petal like this and then chain 3. So repeat this pattern around until you have 6 petals. I meet you at the end of this round. So I'm at the end of round 2 and I've done with my last petal and also chain 2. Slip stitch into our first petal. Then after that, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Remember to fasten it and remember to turn your petal. So once you have weaved in your ends, this is how the puff flower turned out like. It's so simple to make and easy. So you can make as many as you want so that you can use them in one of your decoration, maybe a cardigan, a dress, a top, a mirror, or a picture frame. So thank you for watching. If you are new here, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share.